I'm just checking in the people with the V8s. Are you guys doing okay right now? I'm trying to film a TikTok right now and I almost just ran into the back of the car. Hurry up, finish your TikTok. Gas is expensive nowadays. Jeez. Hey Carter, you doing okay with these record high gas prices with that big truck over there?
Heck no, Dad's credit card ain't even keeping up. I can't even afford to start and idle this thing. Gotta walk to work now. It takes about 3 hours to walk to work. Gotta leave at 1:30 a.m. to get there on time. Better head inside and go to bed in about 20 minutes. Gotta get to work tomorrow, nice bright and early.
Got quite a walk.
Got quite a... I better make sure I ain't sleepwalking.
Screw routine maintenance on the truck. Instead of tires, you're gonna need some new shoes here soon.
Wonder if I can get these babies retreaded for cheaper.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss our videos, and most importantly, give this video a thumbs up, help us with the YouTube algorithm. We're new to YouTube and we need all the help we can get. Oh, check that out, you already got mods on this beast.
Heck yeah, we got mods. We bought mods before we even bought the truck.
What do you got, the cold air intake? I'm assuming you got a blow-off valve now?
Oh yeah, we just saw that thing the other day. Didn't go so easy. Insert clip.
Oh boy. Now what's going on with the EcoBoost? Wait, hold on, is that a diverter valve? Is he putting a blow-off valve on it? Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Custom fabricating. Be rigging up over here. Got the intercooler and the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. There she is. Stay tuned to see what this thing sounds like with a blow-off valve. Well, let's hear this thing start up.
All right, you got it.
Oh, what's going on with the remote?
I don't know, man. My finger slipped.
Pretty sure you can't use the automatic starter with the hood open.
Probably not.
Give it another shot then.
All right, let's go.
Oh, you got an exhaust too.
Heck yeah, we did.
This thing sounds like it's tuned for fat bitches now.
You both haul fat bitches. Dude, bottom out hauling some fat bitches. Can't even handle a fat bitch. Can't even handle a fat bitch in the passenger seat. Bap.
The fattest 4 doors for more whores.
There we go.
If you can't enter, on her.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Let's hear this blow-off valve. Okay. Let's see what this thing sounds like from the outside. The neighbor over there staring at you.
Is he?
Yeah. Probably just the Karen. Or he's calling the cops. Let's see you launch this thing in 2-wheel drive.
Full launcher, bud.
I just noticed there's a whole pond here. I need to take my ice skates out of that pond.
And these kids are ass.
We need to rent some skates.
I got the good ones. Those are ass. Oh shit! Oh, great. You suck.
Say?
Said we weren't even in sport mode. Let's do it again. This time we'll do it in sport mode.
Let's see it. You did launch pretty quick though. Man, that's a road sweeper right there. If anyone needs some road work done, just let us know. We can rototill and grade. We could do it all here at one-stop shop. Wow, the grader looks different here. You usually don't see this at the construction site.
But I'm high out of my mind on diesel fuel.
I'm really cleaning the shell off the road. Probably would launch a whole lot faster if there wasn't shell here. Need to take that thing to the track. See what kind of numbers it does on the quarter mile. Not bad. Looks like you're cleaning the shell off the road there, bud.
Yeah, we hit about 50 miles an hour by then.
You work for PennDOT or what?
Yeah, we're gonna start to. Hey, you wanna try it 4 high?
No, don't break it now.
Don't worry, it's still under warranty.
And we got Daddy's credit card. In that case, launch it. Zero to 60, back to 0. Those rotors are probably smoking now. That's pretty quick.
Yeah, man, I'll give it to it.
I think this thing can outrun the police.
Oh, heck yeah.
Heck, I got a speeding ticket
truck,
the other day.
The white truck, it blends right in.
So what are the numbers 0 to 60 on this truck?
So stock, it's about 6.5 seconds roughly, but when I get my 93 octane tune, it'll be low 4s for 0 to 60.
Low 4s. Grade these seat belts to full harnesses.
You don't believe me? Check out TFL Truck. They had to get a comparison.
No!
That 3.5 liter is hella quick.
I have to bow down to the 3.5. It was the winner.
It is what it is.
You know, I was hoping the 5 liter would maybe even better the 2.7, but that wasn't the case today. 4.36 seconds 0 to 60 with a 1.96.
Thing's fast.
What's the first mod you'd recommend for someone out there that has like a stock EcoBoost?
Oh, definitely window tint, hands down.
Not cosmetic, but what is this, like 5%?
Yeah, I got 5% on the sides and I got 35 at home for my windshield.
What I meant was like performance mods.
Definitely an intake. It lights them turbos up much faster and makes them much more audible.
Okay, first up intake, but how about a blow-off valve or an exhaust? Which one would you rather?
I'd say exhaust, but you gotta buy the right one or else these things sound pretty.
At the end of the day, it still is a V6, so you gotta get an exhaust with the right tone. It's like the same thing as putting a fart can on a 4-cylinder. It never sounds good. What kind of exhaust you got on this thing?
I got a MBRP 4-inch catback with a resonator. It gives you a pretty low, deep grumble for a V6. I think it sounds fairly well.
It's easy on the wallet. Yeah, he's on a budget build. Let's get a couple sound clips of this. Not a bad sounding exhaust. Let's see if we can hear the blow-off valve from up here. Yeah. One more time. Wow, that sound would never get old. Real quick, what is that? Sunset.
Where's the other half of the sun?
Dude, why is the sun red?
Why is it only half of it?
There's half the sun. You wanna know why?
Why?
Didn't you know the Earth's flat?
Really?
Yeah. Watch the Flat Earth documentary.
Yeah, look, it's only like half of the sun.
Buddy, I think the world's ending.
Now you can see most of it because something.
It's going down, it's almost full. We're trying to film a TikTok right now, and he almost just ran into the back of the car.
Hurry up, finish your TikTok. Gas is expensive nowadays. Jeez.
A little update on the Razor before it gets dark. We got the new 32-inch ITP Terra hooks on. And wow, the stance looks so much better than with those bald 30-inch Maxxis Carnivores. You can already tell the Razor sits a little higher. We already got more ground clearance. I haven't really rode this thing much in the snow, but I cannot wait to see how good this new tread rips. I was trying not to take it for a ride because I don't want to rip up the yard, because 181 horsepower is definitely going to rototill the wet lawn. There's no way this is healthy for you. 1,250 calories. Dude, that's like a Big Mac.
This is how big the scooper is. Almost the size of my head. Not even close, but oh well. Look at this. 3 pounds, 4 servings. Serious mass, dog.
Buddy, you're part of the petite gang.
Yeah, petite gang leader, president here, CEO. Just want to shout out to all my other petites. Shout out to Vice President Cody Long. He's doing a great job keeping petite.
You guys are wondering, that is why he got a new truck, because he's trying to compensate. Is the diesel just not doing it for you?
Yeah, I figured maybe I would have a smaller wiener if I was more in debt.
Yeah, that's probably what it was. So what the hell's on your nose?
Pre-workout just doesn't do it for me anymore, man.
Is that blow?
No, it's snow.
Oh. Pulling into the gas station here in Pennsylvania, and wow, this is $4.45 for 87. It's a good thing I only drive a 4-cylinder and I only need half of a tank, and we only had to fill up half a tank. It's $30. It's in a little 4-cylinder. I'm just checking in the people with the V8s. Are you guys doing okay right now? $30 later and we have a full tank. And heck, the price of diesel right now is $5.45. Oh, how much longer of this? Oh, talent like, yeah, you could blow a golf ball through a garden hose. I bet your boyfriend likes that.
Keep talking shit and I'll steal yours.